Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're in the kitchen and I'm baking today. So today I'm going to be making cake. But cake, a sweetie cake, which is just cake loaded with sweets. So let's get baking. First of all, you need your flour, sugar, eggs, sieve, and that's really about it for the ingredients. So let's get to it. First you get the butter. Just plunk it in. The butter is in. Now you just get the sugar. Don't ask me the measurements, I just guess and just put a random lot in. On some reason, that cake's come out perfect. Now, I might just have that touch. If you just put random stuff in and it works. Get your wooden spoon, or any spoon, and you just mix the butter and sugar together. Now get your eggs and just crack it on the side. This is how I do it anyway. Now the eggs are in, so just give it a little stir. Now get your sieve, get the flour, just give it a little sieve, and stir, and slowly add the flour in. As you see, it will come together like this. There you go, now it's done. You get like a nice thick consistency, it's not too runny and it's not too hard. Now you do is you get your baking tin. I couldn't find my parchment paper, so I put tinfoil in this instead. And I just get my mixture and just pour it in. Just even it out. Now the mixture's in there, it's time to put it in the oven. Okay, now it's in the oven, put it in 180 degrees, leave about 10 to 15 or 20 minutes, but I'll check on it in 10 minutes and see how it's going. Yeah, so I checked on it in 10 minutes, I wasn't ready. I gave it an extra couple minutes, about 6 more minutes, and now it's ready. I see it's out the oven. But you know when a cake is ready is when you touch it and it's springy. That's how you know that it's ready. Now it's time to put it on a cooling rack. Yeah, it's a lot better than expected, and I just broke my stand. Great. Yeah, I thought I broke my tripod, but realised I didn't break it at all. Now I've just got to wait for the cake to cool down, and then it'll be decoration time. I can't wait. I don't know why I did that, I'm like weird. Now that the cake is cooled down, it's time to put chocolate in the bowl and melt down the chocolate for the top. Okay, now the chocolate's in the bowl, time to put it in the microwave and melt it. I'll take it out every 30 seconds just to stir it. As you can see, chocolate's starting to melt. You can see it's all melting together now. Hallelujah! Now the chocolate has all melted. Now put it on the cake. Now the chocolate's on it, can't put the rest of the sweets on it. As you can see, it is all done now. So, I know it's a bit like a mess, but you can go crazy on it. You can put the topping any way you want. You can just shove it on, decorate the way you want. I just did it this way. I know it looks like a kid did it, but it's still good. It's still edible. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and have a good evening, and I'll see you in the next video.